Please be advised of the disclaimers. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Pinnacle Trading here. Had a solid day trade on ZM today. So that's ZM, the Zoom video stock. So before we get into that, if you're new to the channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button and hope you like this video. Have a day trade on this one, so let's jump into it. So I bought this at 136.95 today at 10:10 a.m. Eastern time. So 136.95. So that's down right over here. I put the entry line so it's easier for you guys to see it on the chart. If you're looking at it on mobile, I'm going to zoom in a little bit on here. So I saw this red candle come down, and what happened? It stabilized right there, went down a little bit. Notice how the candles are getting smaller and smaller, so looking for a reversal on this one. And what happened? It went up, and this candle wick went up all the way to about 138.5 area, and that's where I sold this one. So got in at 136.95, and I was willing to add more to 133 because I was looking for next support area over there, which was previous day's lows. And what happened? Went over to 138.2 and then 138.5, and then I was out of that one. So that was 4 out of 5 winning day trades today. So I had 3-4 over here, and then we had a nice $10 per share trade on DGAS. Again, all these alerts are free. Make sure to join the chat room, link in the description below. So going back into the trade, so I got out at 138.5. What happened? And just kept running later on all the way to about here, and now it's breaking over Rebop and staying over now about 144. So about $5-6 profit per share profit on this one. So let's remove these drawings, and let's remove all these drawings right over here, clear the drawing set so you can see a chart a little bit better. So I'm using the VWAP strategy. This is one that I teach in my course and I used every single day. If you watch my videos for the past couple days, I've been day trading more. And what happened on these candles, we saw a rejection come down. We saw it get rejected off VWAP entire day. But when you look at the previous day's lows, which is right about here at a 133 area, that's why I was looking for a bounce off 133. But since it did go there later on, but I was looking for a bounce on this one as it flattened. It was on the bottom of the VWAP band, and if you look at the previous day's bounce or the entry, which was about 135, 136 area, that's where I took that 136.95 entry. I've also been testing out this new script that I've had, and what happened, it showed me that the lows was around here. It broke the top, broke the mid, and broke the lows right about here, 136.95. That's where I took the entry and saw volume come in, went up, and took profits on this one. And right now it's hitting at 144, 145, looking for it to get rejected and come back down. So going into the other big day trade on DGAS, this had low volume on this one, and let's jump into the VWAP chart script on this one. So on this, took an entry alert in the morning at 295 and then broke below 295, so I said below, so I got in at 293.6. So on this candle, I got into 293.6. What happened? It kept going down, so I was willing to add more. Hit the bottom of the VWAP band, and what happened right here? I added a little bit more on this one at 285. Average was about 290, and as soon as it jumped over, it was about $4 per share profit. That's where I took it. So bounced off. Anytime, this is how natural gas plays out. It usually bounces off the low VWAP bands. Went up to about 294, so that's $4 per share profit, and I was out. And what happened later on, I was looking for a target, next target about 295 to 300, broke over. That's where we got our $10 per share profit on this one. So what happened? It broke over VWAP, tested these lows again, 288, 289, and jumped up all the way to about 301.93. So look at up top, 301.93, 302 area, and came back down again. So same thing. Bouncing off a low VWAP band, coming up again, testing VWAP, getting rejected, and coming back down. So those were the two big trades, day trades that we had in the chat room today. And PJ also alerted ZM on this one, and he's looking for more of a swing trade on this one. So if you are following that, then that could potentially be a swing trade. So again, if you're interested in joining the chat room, the link is in the description, or you can head over to pinnacletrading.us. All these alerts that we have in the chat room are free, except the VIP section that's for the course members, which I'll go over in a second. So you can head over to pinnacletrading.us and you can join the chat room for free. Click that button over here or link in the description of this video. And if you're interested in learning more about how I take these trades, how I find these trades, etc., the course is off right now. It's off 40% off initial price, so it's only $249 right now. So you can see it's only $249, and that's till end of the month. Having a sale on that one, so I know a lot of people are home right now, so it's a great time to learn up on how the stock market works, get educated on trading strategies, how to use Thinkorswim, how to set up charts, how to find these trades, day trade, swing trade, invest, etc. So I hope you found this video helpful. Make sure to hit that subscribe button if you're new to the channel and the bell button next to it. Make sure to like and comment what you think about the video and what other type of videos you'd like to see. Hope you all have a great day and the rest of the week. I'll see you in my next video.